Alright, let's start by removing the cap. Alright, so I got that turned around. Loosen the cap. Is that nice and tight? Just tighten this down. And this neck that I got online. I will give you a link in the description below. Okay, it's tight. Let's get this back in. Crazy, a little crazy today, huh? All right. A couple more turns, tighten it up. And then we'll get that cap back on, and we'll get to changing the handlebar configuration around. That's the brakes, as well as all of our gadgets. So, one quick way we can do this is slide this down. We're going to take this cap off here. When we take this off, we'll be able to switch the handlebars around, and the configuration should be pretty much okay, in theory. Okay, let's get back to this. We want to get these off. Okay, so very important to line this up correctly. I want to just make sure we get to the front here. And that little crosshairs, and get in the middle of here. So that's got to line up. I want to make sure those crosshairs are in the middle of that, right there, and then we're going to tighten it down.